Whether it's a track car or a project, heat can and will damage components and reduce performance. Wrapping your exhaust will help keep you and your ride at the right temperature. The titanium exhaust wrap from DEI is the right way to keep things cool and performing at their best. The titanium wrap is made from a pulverized lava rock, then stranded into a fiber material and woven into a proprietary weave. It can handle heat, and I mean high heat, 1800 degrees of direct and 2500 degrees of intermittent heat. That is hot. By comparison, it takes less heat to melt aluminum, brass, copper, gold, cast iron, and way more. So yeah, it can take the heat. And the wraps aren't stiff. They're pliable, and that makes them easier to wrap around the headers. Being less stiff means they'll also allow for a tighter and more secure wrap. Unlike a lot of other wraps, you won't need to wet these beforehand. The titanium wrap has a high-tech carbon fiber look, so they'll give your engine bay a look that sets it apart. They're also durable. Not only can they handle the heat, but they're highly resistant to oil and vibration breakdown. So when you're screaming down the track, you know you're protected from the heat, and maybe you'll get those last few milliseconds back. If you want to know more about the titanium exhaust wrap by DEI, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.